don't have to explain this to you, right?
Yeah, you might want to.
I know, I don't want to go to my garage.
No, congratulations.
Jack, does it come in different colors? Congratulations.
So we'll get some pictures and we really appreciate you.
Thank you. It's nice coming here. I enjoy it. I like this time of year.
Is that a hint?
It's warm. You're not worrying about snow.
You want to go over here in front of the car?
Yes.
2026 Bluegrass World of Wheels Custom Car Show. We have here one of the Bourbon Select Six winners. It's owned by Rick and Patty Bird. It is a 1955 Chevy Bel Air. If you can see underneath there. I just talked to Patty, and she told me that's them right there. That they've been kind of working on and off on this car for 40 years. As you can see, it just seems like it's some kind of perfect. Like, I don't even know how you have that kind of patience. We got the suicide doors. Everything's been meticulously restored. Come around the corner here. They are from Bellefonte, Pennsylvania. And here's something that's really neat where the gas tank is. They actually won Bourbon Select Six last year with their car Showbird. Bourbon Select Six winner.